Sizzle alert. We're diving into the juiciest, most mouth-watering lamb chops you've ever seen. Picture this, perfectly seared, rosemary-infused meat that's so tender, it practically melts off the bone. I'm about to show you my secret technique that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. Spoiler alert, it involves a cast iron skillet and a touch of garlic butter magic. Get ready to impress your friends and family with restaurant-quality lamb chops right from your own kitchen. Trust me, once you try this method, you'll never look at lamb the same way again. Let's get cooking and make some flavor explosions happen.